It's still day 2 of my rockstar experience on Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady, where I'm trying out the non-party experience. After the food tour, it's all about wellness and relaxation, and a surprising dinner experience at the wake, which disappointed me before. After the food tour with Key West Food Tours, and that amazing Cuban mix sandwich from the Cuban Coffee Queen that I'm still thinking about today, I got back on board to try to get some work done around the ship. But with Ship Eats not being available, I decided to take it to the hammock. The great thing about being solo, your hammock is available and they're waiting for you whenever you're ready. And I stayed out here until sail away, feeling the breeze and listening to the ocean. So peaceful. Alright guys, it has been such a relaxing day. I relaxed, as you saw, I was relaxing out there on a hammock. That was just so nice. I did get a little work done. But that was after I did have some connection issues, but I will say the Rockstar agent, I went down to the customer service desk and the IT person came up, he couldn't help. And when I came back up, I just, text my Rockstar agent and asked, hey, I can't use my laptop. Are there any other options? Because I didn't know if they had available computers on board. And he told me no, but he asked if I was in my room, and he came up and, worked on my computer a little bit. Then called somebody, worked on it, and they finally found the issue. It was a program on my computer that was blocking the connection. So they found the issue and resolved it. And then I scrambled to get a few things done. But now I canceled my 5:30 reservation at Pink Agave because I actually wasn't hungry at that time. And I did see in the app, I'm going to see if there are charges, but I did see in the app, if you don't cancel within 24 hours, there's a $10 charge. I was okay with that. If that happens, that's fine, because I really wasn't hungry and I'm kind of getting tired of stuffing myself just because. So another solo cruiser on board, and it just so happened that we were on Scarlet Lady for Thanksgiving last year, 2 years ago? 2 years ago, I think. And so she has a reservation at the wake, and it was a later reservation, so she invited me. So I am headed down to the wake to join her for dinner. And my plan was to just go to the dock house and just listen to some live music. I don't plan to attend the Scarlet Night, the big festivities, the party, the day party. I've been there, you've all seen it. So this is going to be, like I said, a relaxing cruise. Is there anything, can you have a good time if you don't attend those main events? I'm saying yes. All right, let me head down to the wake before I miss out. All right. Hey, are you enjoying this content so far? If you are, I hope that you will like this video and subscribe to the channel so that I'll know to create more content like this. So I am here at the wake and we got a great table. Let me show you the view. So we got a table right in the back. We got an aft view, and I don't know if you can see, but that is the wake down there. It is a beautiful view. We're at a table for two. This is a nice, we lucked up. We got a really, really nice table. But let me show you who I'm here with. This is Miss Iris. You're gonna tell the people who you are.
Greetings from the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. It is Thanksgiving 2025, and I'm just happy to be celebrating Thanksgiving with Cheryl, the solo cruiser on Virgin Voyages. We are enjoying ourselves on the newly remodeled Scarlet Lady.
So how are you enjoying your cruise so far?
Oh, I am enjoying it. 2025 has been a year, so I am vacating and trying to not work on vacation this time. So I'm enjoying myself, just relaxation.
Yeah, which I unfortunately did a little bit of today. But
yes.
That's a new cruise version of that?
Yes, this is my seventh or eighth. Yeah.
So you enjoy Virgin?
I love Virgin. Yeah, it's great for the value and for solo cruisers like myself.
All right, so what did you order for today?
I am trying to use this sailor loot, so I'm doing all the first and trying things that I haven't tried before. So I ordered the petite plateau, crab and oysters and clams, and then for my main I ordered the lamb chops. So.
Okay.
So this is like a spring cocktail, and that's the oyster one, fresh oyster. We have the fresh crab also. That's the clams. This is the cocktail sauce. That's the pickle with this onion. This is the pickled mussels, and also this is like a it's like a
And now this is what's this?
pickle.
Pickle.
The pickled
Mussels, and this is like a remoulade, and then this is.
It's more a little bit spicy. It's spicy mayo.
Okay, and then what's this one?
This is a pickle with onion.
And the good doctor allowed me to partake in her seafood feast with her. It was absolutely delicious. Now, I didn't care for my first experience here at the wake, but Iris enjoyed it. So I asked her for her recommendations, and she said one of her favorite dishes was the sea bass. So I got it. But there was one thing she seemed to have forgotten to tell me. I had no idea this fish came with a whole tableside presentation. I don't hate fish, but I rarely order it at dinner, and I don't know the different types of fish. I didn't know this was gonna happen.
I love it.
This is my first time.
So how we serve it done. This is we use the pork fish to marination the sea bass itself. But we don't eat the pork fish because it's way too salty.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So before we do the surgery, we make a massage little bit to let the skin stick into the pastry and the meat off of the skin.
That's more fish on the plate. That's it.
See?
Oh, wow.
See?
Oh, my
The
goodness.
skin off of the meat stick into the pork pastry. Oh wow. See.
Look at that.
Wow.
This was nice, but I was glad I wasn't starving.
Is it streaming live? Please.
Yes.
Ooh, the moment of the truth. I have to get the spoon.
Okay.
I have to leave it up the baby boys.
Okay.
No?
Here, take my recipe. I'll say it right now. You know what? I'll say it right now.
That's a lot, too. Okay.
It's really good. It's very soft. You can see this, no? It is very soft.
Yes.
I put the lime.
Okay.
Sauce on the side, please.
In the end, it looked very tasty.
I hope you like it.
I hope so too. After dinner, I intentionally skipped out on the Scarlet Night party at the roundabout and the plunge at the pool deck and opted for the mellow vibes at the dock house. This was perfect. Ready to try Virgin Voyages or sail again with new friends? Join me October 17th through the 22nd, 2026 on Resilient Lady for my Resilient Escape group cruise. Going to Grand Turk, adult only, high energy when you want it, wellness when you need it. You'll have community without losing your freedom. Links below. Are you ready for your first or your next cruise and need assistance? Scan the QR code and let's work together to plan your customized cruise experience.